How to switch off live caption on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can switch off live caption on Android. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, open up the settings in your Android device. Now once you land on your settings page, from this search bar, simply type in live caption. Then tap on this option available that says live caption. Now again go to live caption, and here if the toggle is turned on that says use live caption, simply turn off that toggle, and as soon as you do that your live caption will be switched off or turned off in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.